Welcome back to All Year Climbing. My name is Walter. It's in the middle of the season and plenty of people are on the island. It's very international. And during these last 2 months, we had like 4 beautiful boulder night sessions. Let's go and have a closer look what happened during the night sessions in El Poris. Hey, where are you from?
France, Normandy.
Do you like the climbing here?
Yeah, it's super cool.
Super cool.
Got me feeling like them leaves. Please. Hold me.
Hey man, where are you from?
I'm from Finland.
Finland. And the climbing here?
Climbing's awesome here.
It's awesome.
Talks to me. It takes control of me. You make me crazier than
Where are you from?
Germany.
lunatic. Liberate, liberate. Don't forget me that way.
Hey, where are you from?
Belgium.
And what about the climbing here?
Nice. Really nice.
We ain't got no time to waste. I'm just like a mermaid. I wanna eat you.
Where are you from?
Netherlands.
And how's the climbing tonight?
Exhausting, but so beautiful.
You say jealousy suits me, so I wear it quietly.
Hey man, where are you from?
Italy.
And you like the climbing here?
It's amazing climbing here, guys.
Okay, for the next episode we're gonna visit some more vertical friends, see what they have done, and I tell you, I have seen some really strong ones. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you have seen today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we're gonna see us in the next time of All Year Climbing.